Hi guys, this is animated Christmas scene with LED and music for indoor use, so you can't put this outside. It's just for inside. Batteries included, so you don't need to buy batteries, so this is good. And it has a 6-hour timer and it's a colorful light. So the dimensions, the length and width and height, 12 by 9.5 and 14 centimeter, and it has 8 different Christmas tunes. Let's unbox this together and see what is inside. You see, this is what the inside looks like. This is the manual. I would say you need to handle with care because I'm sure it must be breakable. This is it, and the good thing is it already has batteries, so you don't need to buy batteries. So all we have to do is check that the battery is properly fitted. So to open it, just push down this battery section. It uses 3 AA battery. For batteries to work, you need to take off this, and I've taken this off now. I'm going to put the battery back, and here we go. Turn this on and off from here. You can see here there's one if you don't want the music, and this is the music. If you don't want the music, you just put it on the music and it goes all silent while still, you know, rotating on. But if you want the music on, and that's it. Okay, so yeah, it has 8 different Christmas tunes. Cheers, bye.